Hello viewers, you're watching my channel Vachna's Art Collections. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make one of the best personalized gift I have ever made for my friend. I always prefer making personalized handmade gifts to my friends and family because handmade gifts are so special that you put a lot of efforts in making the gift or designing the gift. So after thinking a lot of time what gift I have to do for her, I got an idea of making a Lippan art dream catcher. So in this video tutorial, I'll show each and every step how to make the Lippan art dream catcher. Come do with me.
So you need a MDF base for this and then mark the design on it with pencil. Now to start the Lippan art designing, you can use M-seal or mold it or clay, whatever is available. I am using M-seal here and rolling it to make thin ropes. Now stick the M-seal all the way through the design you have marked using glue. Now add all the details that you want to. Now it's time for the second layer and follow the same steps to stick M-seal all through the design you marked. Now paint the whole thing with white as base color.
A few moments later.
Now the white base painting is completed. Now I'm sticking a large round mirror inside. Now let's color it. I'm using yellow and pink combination for my lippanartwork. Paint it carefully without touching the walls. Now it's time for mirror work. So here I'm using round mirrors and diamond shaped mirrors for mirror work. After completion of mirror work, I have added dots with acrylic paints for better detailing. Of course, when it is a customized birthday present, it's mandatory to write happy birthday with her name and my name, right? So I'm using homemade 3D outliner for that. If you want to know how to make 3D outliner, visit my channel. The link is in the description. It's done and wow, it's looking really pretty. Then I made tassels with wool. The tassel making video will be given in the description. Then I marked the center and gave 3.5 cm distance between each tassel. Then I'm gluing it. I'm attaching a thread on the top center to hang it. Then cover the whole thing with gold foil like this. That's it! Pretty and easy Lippan art dream catcher is ready. This wall hanging is really looking amazing.
So here it is, the final outcome of this gift. This Lippan art dream catcher came out so beautiful. I loved it very much and I'm very happy for presenting this to my friend. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Vachna's Art Collections for more videos on art, crafts and paintings, drawings and many more. Thank you.